later in my spiritual journey, I got to know, see, every person is spiritually assigned this something. I'm a grid light
Grid
worker.
worker, okay.
So I'm a grid worker. So when I'm a grid worker, I'm called to grids, and you are called to different grids, and different grids are there in throughout the world or in India. So when you are called to grid, either the light codes are downloaded on you, or you are exporting the light codes outside, because that grids needs your light codes.
Yep.
So either you are importing or you are exporting. अगर तुम इंटरनेट की फॉर्म में करो, तो या तो कुछ डाउनलोड हो रहा है या कुछ अपलोड हो रहा है. ठीक है. सपोज I'm going to Dubai, right? So Dubai is a very important grid. It has a lot of abundance and light codes. New
Yeah,
York is a very important abundant grid.
I know.
A lot of abundance light codes and love light codes. So if I'm called to New York supposedly, so that is because I'm called to, either I have to
Yeah,
download or I have to upload,
yeah.
right? So initially मुझे ये वाली बात नहीं पता थी. So when I used to travel, तो मेरे को I used to show off people कि मैं travel कर रही हूँ यार, मैं देखो मैं यहाँ घूमती हूँ, मैं वहाँ घूमती हूँ, not knowing that this was my purpose.
Mm-hmm.
And every time I used to travel, I didn't मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा fulfilling experiences नहीं होते थे. I used to like story डाली, फिर किसी ने कुछ reply कर दिया तो मैंने reply कर दिया. मतलब my intention was to show off to people whatever you want
Yeah,
to say, right? Not understanding the purpose behind why I'm called to. And I'm called to, and I'm blessed, because I should be blessed and grateful that I am chosen as a light worker or a grid worker to call to the grid, rather than being show offing about it. So
yeah.
till the time वो सारा होता था, मेरा कोई भी travel experience fulfilling नहीं होता था, because मुझे अपना purpose ही नहीं पता था travel का. Like 2 years back, I genuinely started knowing that I am a grid worker and I'm called to grids. And अगर मुझे calling आएगी तो मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. मेरे पास ना जाने की choice ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर मैं नहीं जाऊंगी तो मुझे calling आती रहेगी, and that will hamper my health. या तो मेरी health hamper होगी, या फिर मेरी आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट हैम्पर होने लग जाएगा, क्योंकि कॉलिंग है और मैंने कॉलिंग नहीं सुनी, तो आई हैव टू गो, राइट?
Yeah,
सो नाउ आई नो दैट आई एम अ ग्रिड वर्कर, आई एम कॉल्ड, आई हैव टू गो एंड आई हैव टू डू माई वर्क एंड एंजॉय द एक्सपीरियंस एंड कम बैक.
yeah.
Now I don't keep on putting the stories like 24 hours online. I come back, I put stories. किसी ने देखनी है तो देख लो, नहीं देखनी तो मत देखो, आपकी मर्जी. But पहले मेरा intention था ऐसा कि I want to show off to people that देखो यार मैं घूम रही हूँ,
Mm.
not knowing that I am blessed enough that I'm called, because this is a duty which is assigned to me as a part of light work, as part of my light working activities.
Yeah, yeah. Even I also experienced that when you have a certain purpose and you're not resonating with that, you somehow everything else gets disturbed in your life. You don't if you don't pay attention to that. So I have been a very dense person all my life, like sitting, very, cushy and I mean, अपने आप को समेट के बड़ा सा मैंने हमेशा से. And when I get married, I'm married to a person who has a transferable job. And
Hmm.
he gets transferred every 3 years, and it was so frustrating for me because it's too much of a work involved in transfers and all that thing. And I never understood why I'm being moved to places. Even in last 3 years, I have like changed multiple houses, and I don't know how.
Hmm.
So when you start reading about all this, then you understand, okay, probably I'm a grid worker. And now when I'm meditating, I'm seeing places in my mind
Yeah.
that I have to go there.
Yeah.
I know it's not now. I know it's somewhere in the future I need to go to those places. अभी तो काम ही इतना
Yeah.
चल रहा है खुद के ऊपर. There is so much happening around me. So I know I'm not in a very
Yeah.
stable state to pursue that, but I know कि कहीं भी जैसे New York was never a possibility for me coming here.
Hmm. Hmm.
I had a B1
Hmm.
visa, but it was never a possibility. And then somehow
Hmm.
this possibility got created. I
Got
resisted. I
it.
resisted with all my strength to not come here. But
But नहीं
then,
होगा.
but then, yeah.
No,
And then
नहीं.
even when I was here, I was going through
Yeah.
so much of resistance that I have to go back. I want to go back. I want to go back. And my health started going down and down and down to a
Hmm.
state when I was the doctors were even
Hmm.
talking that I'm probably going through a cancerous stuff. I'm blessed that
Hmm.
I
Did.
was not there. But yeah, so it did. So
It did.
if you push upstream
Push.
in this scenario when you are called to do something,
You
then
have to do
yeah,
that.
yeah.
I would want to tell my similar experience. I wanted a US visa like quite badly in initial years of
Yeah.
my life. Genuinely wanted to go, not knowing कि I don't know कि किसी comparison में जाना था मुझे, again क्या कोई show off वाली बात थी. I never got that. I mean, I never applied and I've never got that visa. Recently I got my B1 B2 और obviously it's of 10 years, so I can obviously जब calling आएगी तो मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I know that. See, the calling was there but the intention was not right, but I have to anyways go, तो वो मुझे मिलना ही था. So
Hmm.
I got it like after 10-15 years of my life, but I got it
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
So the point is कि you have to act on your callings,
yeah.
but the intention should be very honest and you should be like resistance नहीं होनी चाहिए. Like you said कि जितना आप resist करोगे ना उसको, the more you will be like कि it will impact your health or environment.
ये तो मैंने बहुत देखा है अपनी जर्नी में. The more you resist things, the more you fight with them, the more you're causing
Yeah,
trouble. The more you let
trouble.
go, the more you let go, the more you stay okay with yourself. Things flow. I mean, they are always already happening for your highest
फिर
good.
भी
They're already
yeah,
happening
yeah,
for,
yeah.
and your pretentious, your fearful attempts to stop that is causing the problem. It's not what's happening that's
Exactly.
causing the problem. It's your
Yeah,
protection shield or your fear that's
yeah,
that's actually causing all the pain and the suffering uh, that you might
yeah.
be going through.
So true, so true. So yeah, great. You